So now let's talk about the Moniepoint Referral Code. What exactly it is, how do you use it, how can you get your own from your account, how to use it to earn passively from this app. If this is your first time here, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification so that you will not miss any of my latest videos. So before getting started, what exactly is the Moniepoint Referral Code all about? So in a world where financial transactions often feel routine, what if I tell you that every transaction your customer make could now be a source of excitement and reward? Yes, at Moniepoint, they just launched a new initiative, that is the Moniepoint Refer and Here. Yes, it is a program where you, as a business owner or as an account owner, Moniepoint agents, get rewarded for every transactions made by people who download the app, sign up and transact on the Moniepoint personal banking app through your what? Through your referral link or code. So before we dive in, let me remind you once again, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly do so now because I provide more helpful updates on finance, guides and how to etc. So let's get started by looking into how Moniepoint referral program works. So let's take this for sample. Monica is a shop owner and she uses the Moniepoint business banking app for all her transactions as well as the Moniepoint POS. So she has activated a unique Moniepoint referral code or link in the referral section of the app, which I'm going to show you. So in the provide section, Moniepoint send the link to all our customers when they come in the store. So if Monica gets 200 people to sign up and start transacting with their account in the first month, she's projected to earn about 25,000 naira in the first month. So if Monica puts in the same effort and gets the same amount of people in the second month, she's projected to earn a month of 50,000 naira in a month. So if Monica continues at this rate, she will get nothing less than, that is 100,000 naira by the fourth month. And the cycle continue. Yes, it doesn't stop. So let me quickly make a breakdown of the referral and how it works for you. So for the first month, you introduce or you refer 200 users to Moniepoint, you're going to get 25,000 naira. In the second month, you also refer 200, that is 50,000 naira. Another month, which is 3 months, another 200 users. You also invited or refer another 200 user using your link, that is 75,000. So in the fourth month, another 200 users, that is 100,000 naira. So that is exactly how it works. So how do you get your own referral code from your Moniepoint account and start referring people? Kindly follow the process in this video right now and ensure that you don't skip any section of this video, because skipping could make you to miss a vital information that I am going to pass across. And mind you, in this video, there is a particular thing I'm going to say that you may possibly miss, and it's very crucial. Yes, it is very crucial if you want to earn with Moniepoint. This is very important, so you must not skip any section in this video because you possibly may miss it. So let's get started and locate our refer code. So personal, so use your fingerprint or password. So finally, I am now in my account. So how do we locate our referral code? The process is actually simple. If you click here, you can't find it. If you click here, you cannot find it. Or click here, yes, you still cannot find it. Now, how do we find it? If you click here, yet you cannot find it. So how do we find it? The process is actually simple. Yes, it is very simple. Just scroll up and here it is. So tap on this. Don't skip at this junction, please. So this is it. This is my referral code and this is how you're going to locate your own in your account. So just To copy it, you don't need to write it down. You can just copy it, just tap it here, or this is your referral code. This is your referral link. You send this to the person you want to refer, or copy this and send to any person. So, and you can also use it on your website if you are a website owner. It will even help you more. It will help you earn passively from Moniepoint. Now, what's that thing that I said I want to share with you? It is very, very important. So after you've copied your referral link or code, it is essential for you to know that this referral link is going to expire soon. Yes, let's see it here. It says campaign expires in 13 months. Yes, campaign expires in 13 months. So that referral link or code that you just see in your account, it is going to last for 1 year and 1 month. That is 13 months. So if after you are using the code to refer something, it may not work again because the maximum period you were given is 13 months, and that is 12 months, 1 year. So since you have opened your account now, you can start referring people to earn passively. Does this video help you? Do well to let me know your opinion in the comment section, and you may also use my own in the to open an account if you are yet to have one. So kindly follow the steps in this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notifications so that you will not miss any of my video again. Thanks and bye for now.